What's up everybody, it's your man Harris here, and today I'm going to be showing you how functions work in JavaScript. I've got this tutorial here set up for us. Now if you take a look at the right side of the screen, I've got this green button here that says +1, and each time I click it, it runs a function that adds 1 to this answer. So every time I click the green button, it does +1, and I can run this as many times as I want. Now let's take a deep look at the code. On the left side of the screen, I have an index.html page with all the code in it. I've got a link to it in the description. So let's first take a look at the script itself. We've got the script here within the script tag. The function is called add1, and the function will first create a variable called target. We do that by saying let target, and we set it equal to the HTML element with the ID, so get element by ID, add here. So the HTML element with the ID add here is the target. Now if we look at the HTML, we can see that this p tag here has the ID add here. So this p tag is our target, and on the right side of the screen, it is currently set to 20. So we've got our target, that element, and in the second line of code, we say the target's text content is equal to the current text content of the element plus 1. So every time we run this add1 function, we find that element, that p tag, and we just add 1 to it, to its current value. And to call the function, if you look at the HTML structure up here, we've got a button with an onClick event, and within the onClick event, we call the function add1, which is our function down here. So each time the button is clicked, it will run the function again. So that's the basic structure of a function. It is a block of code that gets executed when it is called. So this is the block of code, and it gets executed each time it's called, in this case through this onClick event. And we can run it as many times as we want. Anyway, that's the basic structure of a function. It's one of the most useful tools you can have as a programmer. You'll use it almost all the time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you guys check out our sponsor, invoicebell.app. It's a free invoicing service that allows you to create invoices, estimates, and quotes and save them to the cloud for free. You can also bill your customers. You have a contact book, and it's free. It has unlimited storage, and it's an all-in-one invoicing solution. So make sure you guys check that out on invoicebell.app. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great night.